Acer Predator Triton 500 SE Review. With a 165Hz 16-inch display, an Intel Core i7, GeForce RTX 3060 GPU, 16GB RAM, and a 512GB SSD, Acer's Predator Triton 500 SE seems like a top-tier gaming laptop. Even so, once you look past the attractive aesthetics and admirable specifications, the Predator Triton 500 SE does not provide a substantial gaming experience. In spite of the additional turbo button to maintain maximum fan speed, the gains are not significant despite a slightly higher frame rate. Meanwhile, the 512GB SSD is an issue since modern PC games are becoming increasingly large. Although the Predator Triton 500 SE does provide some reasonable performance for Adobe Suite creative users, it is enhanced by its beautiful display besides general application usage. If you are seeking something that is better all around, you may want to look elsewhere. According to the manufacturer, the Predator Triton 500 SE starts at $1,749 for the base model, which is shown to the right, but the laptop is available in 4 different configurations. Each configuration is equipped with the same 16-inch QHD display with a 165Hz refresh rate, as well as other features such as the port layout, turbo button, and keyboard layout. In exchange for an additional $250, £215.55, $337.08, the $1,999 configuration includes 1TB of SSD storage and an NVIDIA RTX 3070 graphics card with 8GB VRAM. The $2,399, £2,068.42, $3,234.61 configuration features the same 1TB upgrade and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card. As an option, the Triton 500 SE will set you back $2,699, £2,327.08, $3,639.43, but you will get the latter configuration storage and GPU upgrades along with an Intel Core i9 processor and 32GB of RAM. Every aspect of the Predator Triton 500 SE is pleasing to the eye. This is undoubtedly one of the best-looking gaming laptops available, whether it is open or closed. Whether it is open or closed. Although the chassis has an aggressive angular look, it doesn't go overboard with the hypercar style most other gaming laptops use and is sleek where it counts. When the laptop is closed, there is no protrusion of the display hinge, which gives the laptop a more uniform appearance. The display can also nearly fold flat on its back when opened, which is impressive. Whether watching a film, playing a game, editing media, or just doing your work, the 16-inch QHD screen is impressive. In addition to the benefit of having a high refresh rate, colors are vivid and blacks are deep when necessary. The top of the display also houses a 720p camera. Although the camera resolution is relatively good for video conferencing, serious streamers may want a separate webcam. The touchpad is buttery smooth and takes some getting used to, but in general the experience is excellent. You can click, scroll, zoom, and right-click with ease. I also particularly like the keyboard. Keystrokes are tactile and bouncy, while button placement is optimal, including a dedicated button to place Predator Sense software, which lets users customize the 3-zone RGB lighting option provided on the keyboard among other options that will be discussed later. Port placement is okay too. The right side has the Kensington lock, SD card slot, USB-A port, Thunderbolt 4 and HDMI port. The other side has ports for power, Ethernet, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-A and Thunderbolt 4. Its lower half houses 2 DTS-X Ultra speakers that sound generally weak. If you use the nearby turbo button, which puts the fans into high gear, they sound even worse. Headphones are strongly recommended. Although the Acer Predator Triton 500 SE is great for productivity and creative tasks like photo and video editing, it is not designed for general gaming. When it comes to general gaming performance, the laptop disappoints. Similarly, other visually demanding games such as Dirt 5 and Deathloop cannot run above 60 FPS without reducing the video settings. Even the additional turbo button is of limited use except to provide a slight boost in frame rate and a cooler lap, but at the expense of intrusive audio. The turbo button will not work if the laptop is not connected to a power source with the battery level above 40%. It is also recommended not to use ray tracing, as this will further diminish frame rates. With a laptop that offers a 1,600p resolution, what is the point of using such a machine for gaming if it cannot run top-tier titles at high frame rates? Acer Predator Triton 500 SE is better suited to esports games like Fortnite, PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds, and Rocket League. It handles those games without a hitch, and its 165Hz refresh rate gives it a competitive edge over its rivals. With its 6-hour and 30-minute video loop test, the Predator Triton 500 SE battery life isn't the best you can expect from a gaming laptop. During the PC Mark 10 battery life test, the laptop shuts down just short of 7 hours. It is estimated that gaming at high settings without the AC port plugged in will take about 2 hours. The charging time to reach maximum battery life is approximately 2 hours, but we wish the Predator Triton 500 SE could be charged through its Thunderbolt 4 port since it also has a USB-C port. With the Predator Triton 500 SE software suite that is included with the laptop, you will be able to check out several customization options. Predator Sense also offers custom game settings controls for the keyboard through GameSync in addition to opening up other software suites like Killer Control Center, DTS:X for audio, and Care Center to monitor general laptop health. There are also options for users who wish to utilize different settings for different tasks, such as listening to music, watching movies, and playing games. The DTS:X software compensates for the lackluster built-in speakers. Users can adjust various audio and EQ settings that work well with headphones.